We can describe this set as the set of all x such that x is greater than or equal to 4 and less than 10, where x is an element of the set of real numbers. We can illustrate this set on a number line as shown here. As you can see, this set contains the infinitely many real numbers between 4 and 10, with 4 included, as indicated by the closed circle, but 10 excluded, as indicated by the open circle. We can represent this set in interval notation as follows, where the square bracket on the left indicates the inclusion of the left endpoint, 4, and the round bracket on the right indicates the exclusion of the right endpoint, 10. Therefore, the answer to this question is option B.